Welcome all the students to the video lecture on the topic National Financial Switch, that is NFS. National Financial Switch is the topic which is related with our third unit, that is electronic delivery channels. How the electronic delivery channels are simplifying the banking services and providing the banking services to the doorsteps of the customers, of the bank customers. And bank customers are in a position to utilize, are in a position to use the banking services 24 into 7 from anywhere and any place. It is become becoming possible to use these all services through electronic delivery channels. Now, one of the topics which is related with this electronic delivery channel system is National Financial Switch, NFS. We all are aware with the concept of automated teller machine, that is ATM. All of us, we do use ATM cards, debit cards, credit cards, and through that ATM card we are in a position to withdraw the amount of money and to perform, apart from withdrawing just cash, we do perform some basic transactions and value added transactions from any ATM point or from any ATM machine. If we are having our bank account in one particular bank, and if that particular bank issues us an ATM card or plastic card, with the help of that plastic card we can perform basic transactions from any other ATM device or from any other ATM which is the service provided by other banks. For example, if we are having an account in State Bank of India, then we can do basic transactions through ATM from any other bank ATMs. We can perform the banking transactions through ATM of other banks. For example, we can withdraw the cash. If we are a card holder of State Bank of India, we can withdraw cash from the ATM machine of Maharashtra Bank, ATM machine of HDFC Bank, or ATM machine of any of the bank which offers that ATM service. Means all the ATM machines are connected with each other. Means we can withdraw our money, we can perform our basic transactions like cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, pin change, mini statement. These are some basic transactions. We do perform these transactions at that ATM point. If we are a holder of a particular card, then we can perform these basic transactions from any of ATM machine, from any ATM machine which is provided by other banks. Why this is possible? This is possible because of this national financial switch. This national financial switch is the network of automated teller machines in India. It is the larger network of automated teller machines in India. This network connect all the ATM devices with each other. This network connects all the automated teller machines of our country which are associated with this national financial switch. So this is the concept of national financial switch. Now we will learn about National Financial Switch is the network of shared ATMs in India. Just now I mentioned it is the largest network of shared ATMs in India. Through this National Financial Switch, all the ATMs, all the ATM machines of all network of the country is connected with each other through this National Financial Switch. This National Financial Switch was launched by IDRBT, that is Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, on 27th of August 2004 by connecting these three banks. By connecting the ATM machines of Corporation Bank, Bank of Baroda and ICICI Bank, the IDRBT initially launched the National Financial Switch on 27th August 2004. At the initial moment, the ATM machines, the ATM devices of three banks were connected with each other. Now the member, these were the members at the initial movement, and now the membership increased up to, direct members increased up to 1195. So in the later lecture I will explain who are the members and how the number of membership increased in this particular. So this is the IDRBT, Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, a separate lecture I delivered on this particular organization IDRBT in last month. So do watch that particular lecture very carefully. Why the IDRBT? What is the function of IDRBT and why the IDRBT was established in our country? This IDRBT, this organization, initiated the network of ATMs in 2004. Now we will look towards the network of ATMs. What attempts were made in India before 2004 in order to create the networks of ATMs? In order to study this historical background, initially we can say that in the year 1997, the first network of shared ATM was launched in India by Indian Banks Association. This network was launched in 1997 and it was known as Swadhan. And this Swadhan system was launched by Indian Banks Association. But due to some issues, the Swadhan was failed to implement or to increase the network connectivity of the ATMs. Then second attempt was made. The second network of India for the ATMs in India, it was known as Cash Tree, and this is the second attempt in order to connect various ATMs of our country. And this Cash Tree was initiated by different five banks. They came together and they initiated this concept of cash. Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Indian Bank, United Bank of India, and Syndicate Bank. These are the five banks. They came together and initiated the second network of ATMs in India, and that is known as Cash Tree. In order to create the networking system of ATMs, the third attempt was known as CashNet. And in this CashNet, Citibank, Standard Chartered Bank, IDID Bank, and Axis Bank, they started the network connectivity of ATMs, and that was known as CashNet. But due to some reasons, this Swadhan, Cashtree, Cashnet, they failed to establish and they failed to expand their network connectivity of ATMs to large number of banks. Therefore, in the year 2003, these three systems failed to establish network connectivity of various ATMs in our country. Therefore, in the year 2004, the, the organization which is working for the development and research in the banking sector, in the banking technology sector, that is IDRBT, initiated the process of national financial switch and is successfully implemented this program of networks of ATM in our country in 2004 by launching this national financial switch. Up to 2009, the IDRBT, the organization which looked over this national financial switch. But in 2009, the National Payment Corporation of India take over the operations of national financial switch from IDRBT. Means IDRBT, this organization was started with an intention of research and development in the sector of banking technology. So in order to look over this national financial switch, IDRBT handed over the responsibility of national financial switch towards the National Payment Corporation of India. In the year 2009, this National Payment Corporation of India take over the operations of national financial switch from IDRBT. So this is the process. This is the historical background how the network connectivity or the network of ATMs was established in the country. In this lecture, I stop here, and in the next lecture, I will explain about the membership of National Financial Switch, sub membership of National Financial Switch, and how the international organizations are connected with this National Financial Switch, what type of basic services and value added services provided by National Financial Switch to their customers. So, I thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.